In front of me is Doogee Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it, and if you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Then Allow in the second one. And last but not least, click on Downloads category. As you can see, all of my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it on the left. And to manage one, which is my favorite part, click on those three dots on the right. Then manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!